If you are someone whose interest seesaw is inclined towards creativity and communication, then do not hesitate to make your mind to explore the field of advertising and public relations. Hello everyone. My name is Urvashi Khandelwal and I am pursuing a postgrad diploma course in advertising and public relations from the Indian Institute of Mass Communication, New Delhi. Prior to this, I have completed BCom Honours from Motilal Nehru College, University of Delhi. I've had a lot of students who are willing to pursue AdPR from IIMC but are not clear about the admission process. So, please note that the admission to the course will require you to pass through three stages, namely entrance examination, group discussion, and personal interview. So, first thing first, let's talk about the entrance examination. I believe this entrance is only 20% about preparation or studying for the exams in general, and a whole lot of 80% about things like who you are, how do you think, what do you believe in, how can you express yourself, how good are you with words, and how generally aware you are. In my opinion, it is just the basic things you do in your daily life and put it in the answer sheet. For all those who are willing to sit for the entrance this year, I would strongly recommend that start with A, solving the last year's question papers so that you get yourself acquainted with the pattern, and B, making self introspection a regular habit at least till the exam date. Okay, so now the kind of questions asked might vary from brand related subjects like changing portrayal of gender in advertising to abstract questions like define white or write about a glass half full or half empty. Or if given a chance, what would you choose to be? A pen, a paper, or a painting? One question I got was what change I can bring in the world with my creativity. Another was is creativity an inborn skill or can be taught? Other questions might range from things like critically analyze the brand taglines or multiple choice questions about identifying the brand logos and popular ad campaigns. As far as I believe, examiners largely look for how good you are with lateral thinking. That is the solving of problems by an indirect and creative approach. Typically through looking at the things in a new and unusual light, right? So, apart from the above mentioned question types, usually there is one question of writing a radio commercial or a public service announcement, and it's quite an interesting one. So, for this, listen to radio ads carefully, analyze the tone and the elements used. Also, when you attempt this question, make sure you start with defining the objectives and the target audience. Also, if it's a PSA, please in the end include Bharat Sarkar द्वारा जनहित में जारी statement. One more kind of questions asked can be to write a movie or a book review. So do not just watch a movie or read a book. Please create opinion about the elements used, the character acting, and the social message conveyed. I think that's all about the questions part. Now, for getting the much needed confidence to appear for this entrance, it is extremely important and advisable that you stretch your imagination as much as you can. Dig deep in your thoughts. Read a bit more than you usually do. Follow websites like Social Samosa and Brand Equity. I cannot emphasize more on being updated. Read about your favorite brands, the award winning campaigns, and the popular case studies. In the end, it all comes down to how well you lay out your thoughts. So, my dear friends, write and write and write about anything and everything. Properly format your answers. Give a lot of examples to support your statements. Also, try not to repeat words, so please focus on enhancing your vocabulary. And be careful with the correct grammar usage. One more thing, the written examination can be quite lengthy. So you have to work on creatively laying your outputs within a limited time. So keep the time limit in mind. Practice writing a bit using paper and pen so that you make sure that you complete your exam on time. Moreover, if you have a blog that you haven't updated in a while, so it's a good time to, update it. Do not just stress out. Do everything but don't stress out. Because it is an entrance exam you will thoroughly enjoy attempting. Be as creative as you want to be. Do not limit yourself. Let your imagination fly high. The last word of advice: be as organic as a Kama Ayurveda is. All the best. See you someday. Good luck.